Have you tried convenience store fried chicken?
Yes.
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 I happened to like pass by it and I wanted to try something different.
Kay dool siya sa tong school before. Shout out, adelante.
Naka-try na ko sa 7-Eleven.
No.
No, wala lang jud ko nahatagan og opportunity. I think when we eat fried chicken, it's always from like a fast food place like Jollibee or McDo. So yun.
Today, you will be trying to convenience store fried chicken and then you will pick which one ang ultimate pinaka-WOAH for you.
Based sa looks, I think same ra gini sila tanan og supplier siguro kay parehar magin sila now.
Although slightly darker ang 7-Eleven in comparison sa Uncle John's.
The mini-stop chicken kinda looks old.
Mas lami tanawon ang 7-Eleven. The Uncle John's or mini stop one is looking a little bit dark. The meat looks like it was fried guro at a temperature higher than this one kay medyo mas brown siya. Crunchy good siya as in mikuan siya sa iyahang name itself.
So are you ready to taste it?
Yes!
Whoa!
That's crunchy. The skin was very crunchy and
Kanya sami siya ba?
mas siya pagka-timpla. For me, I can eat this without gravy. May rice.
Mas crunchy siya. Murag chicharon.
Mas crunchy yung 7-Eleven.
It tastes better than the mini-stop chicken.
Yung unod sa 7-Eleven is dark. Oh, tanawa na ay vein! Wala yung flavor yung food. Ika nang wala siya yung... Oh, siya asin.
Ano siya chicharon nga chicken skin ang taste sa 7-Eleven?
My ultimate pinaka-WOAH is 7-Eleven chicken.
7-Eleven chicken.
7-Eleven chicken. It's the 7-Eleven one.
Uncle John's.
Kung papiliun ko nilang duha, mas mo-prefer ko ni 7-Eleven sa iyang taste.
Cause it looks better, it tastes better, and it's juicier.
Mas crunchy yung outside. I like how it's timplad over the mini stop one. Ni-change yung iyahang murag flavor recently. Kaya before lamig gud siya. I don't know why, along the way, siguro ba sinakuwangan sila ingredients.
Everything about Uncle John's is a surprise for me.
And our ultimate pinaka-WOAH fried chicken is by Crunch from 7-Eleven.